Today, I'm going to teach you how to use checkboxes in Google Sheets with the SUMIF formula. This is incredibly useful when you're tracking expenses, tasks, or any data where you need to calculate totals based on whether items are checked or unchecked. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Google Workspace dashboard where all your files and applications are accessible. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to use checkboxes with the SUMIF formula. This could be an existing expense tracker, project checklist, or any sheet where you're managing data that requires conditional summation. Once you click it, the spreadsheet will open and you'll be ready to work with your data. Now, let's say you have a sample data set here with 3 columns, one for expenses, another labeled paid or unpaid with checkboxes, and a third column showing the amount for each expense. This setup is perfect for tracking which expenses have been paid and calculating totals based on their status. First, let's calculate the sum of all checkboxes. Click on an empty cell where you want the total to appear. Now, type equals SUMIF open parenthesis. This formula will allow you to sum values based on a specific condition. Next, select the range of cells containing the checkboxes in your paid or unpaid column. After selecting the range, add a comma. Then type true in uppercase to specify that you want to sum only the checkboxes, add another comma, then select the range of cells in your amount column that correspond to those checkboxes. Finally, close the formula with a closing parenthesis and hit the Enter key. The formula will instantly calculate the total of all amounts where the checkbox is checked. Now, to calculate the total for unchecked boxes, the process is nearly identical. Click on another empty cell where you want this second total to appear. Repeat the same steps, type equals SUMIF open parenthesis, select the checkbox range, add a comma, but this time type false instead of true. This tells the formula to sum only the amounts where the checkbox is unchecked. Add a comma, select the amount range again, close with a parenthesis, and hit Enter. You'll now see the total for all unchecked items, and that's it. You've successfully used checkboxes with the SUMIF formula in Google Sheets to create dynamic calculations based on checked and unchecked status. This method gives you instant visibility into which expenses are paid versus unpaid or any similar tracking scenario you might have. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.